is doing well and staying at home. So today we're going to venture out the world of science once again, and we are doing the traveling water experiment. So the materials that we need are the following: jars with water and food coloring. Last one is a paper towel. So the procedure is you need to fill a jar or a glass of water half full. The next one is empty, followed by the other one with at least 3/4 of water, and then empty glass with water again, and an empty glass again. Next step is to put the food coloring into the water. The more you put, the better. Okay. Just put enough to color and the water. So next I want to choose blue on my next jar here. Okay. Next, choosing green. Okay. There you go. So I guess that's enough. And then the next step is fold your paper towel. So how we do it is we fold it into twice. Fold it into the middle, the other side, and then bring the other side to the middle as well. So it would look like this. Okay? And then your next step is to put your paper towel into the other side with a glass of water, and then the other side without the water, like this. Should stay like that. Okay. Then the other one stay like this. Take the other one. Okay. And then the other one that way. Then the other one on that way. So if you see that your paper towel is thin, you can adjust it as well. Make it 2 so that it will absorb more of the water. Okay? And then wait in a couple of minutes and see the changes. I will update you in a bit. Okay, to give an update into our traveling water experiment, this is how it looks after a minute. Observe that the red color is starting to transfer into that empty glass. So it's the blue and the green. So how is this science experiment works? The water moves up the paper towels through a process called capillary action. The paper towel is made from fibers, and water is able to travel through the gaps in the fibers. The gaps in the paper towel act like capillary tubes and pull the water upward. So again, the pulling of the water upward by the paper towel is called a capillary action. Let's check it again in a couple of minutes. This is how our traveling water experiment looks after 5 hours. Observe the water from our empty glass when we started it. Now it's over there. See? And on the other side, this one here, the red and blue are mixing. There you have it, our traveling water experiment. So I hope you guys try this at home. And as I suggested earlier, it's nice to do it in the evening, leave it overnight, and see what happens. So to give an update to our capillary action experiment or traveling water experiment, this is how it looks after 10 minutes. Guys, when you do it at home, be patient. I recommend that you do it overnight to see more of the changes the following day. But even just in 10 minutes, see, the water is going to that empty glass. Right, so we'll check it again. This is the result of our traveling water experiment after leaving it for 5 hours. As you can observe, the red water is going into this. This was empty this morning, and then the blue is now starting to mix with the green. So as I said, I suggest that if you do it at home, the longer you leave it, the longer you will see the changes in color and then the mixing of colors as well. So it's nice to see a rainbow of colors actually on this one. So I hope you enjoy doing it at home.